This is how I start my nail art tutorial. Nagdo-drawing muna ako, guys. Hi, this is Nail Character and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Siyempre, sisimulan lagi natin sa base coat. At ang base coat na ito is to protect our natural nails. For our pinky, lalagyan natin siya ng beige color as the base. And then, using this Chic dark brown color, ay gagawa tayo ng cup of coffee. Hello sa mga coffee lover dyan. Comment down below kung anong klaseng kape yung gusto mo. And then, using my nail art brush, lalagay natin yung kanyang details katulad ng handle. And, ayan. Konting details lang din, guys. After that, ang next nating ilalagay is yung ating pausok effect. Naglalagay lang tayo ng small lines sa taas niya to represent the pausok. And then, yung ating beige color ay hindi natin isasagad doon sa dulo. May purpose yun eh. Kaya hindi natin isasagad. And after that, using my nail art brush, hindi to malab na maging straight yung line natin doon. Buti na lang is my striper is into the rescue para maging smooth yung lines natin. Alright. Hi T-Snail, and the link of her YouTube channel is on my description down below. Bakit lagi ko yung nakakalimutan? Alright. So, after making that line, gagawa lang tayo ng maliit na parang L. At after nun, ay gagawa tayo ng baliktad na triangle. Dalawa siya. Kasi gagawa tayo ng polo shirt. Okay. Hindi nyo pa alam kung ano yung theme natin ngayon. And after nyan, using my dotting tool, lalagay lang natin ng dot to represent the button. And for our middle finger, our white as a base color, lalagay natin. And then, using my hi to Kuya Dudoy. And yun po ay pabati ng kanyang anak na si Jerome. Happy Father's Day. So ayan, nahulaan yun na kung ano yung theme ng ating nail art for today. And using my dotting tool, yes, using my dotting tool, ay kita nyo naman, my struggle on painting letters of Happy Father's Day dun sa aking middle finger. So, you need a lot of patience when doing it, and sometimes we don't really want the beautiful result. We are expecting something beautiful from the result, but sometimes hindi talaga natin makuha kasi nga mahirap along the way. Pero kahit mahirap along the way, yeah, ma-appreciate naman natin once we get the final result. And ayun, shout out pala sa mga tatay na nanonood kung meron man. And, syempre, sa mga tatay nyo dyan, Happy Father's Day pa rin kahit anong petsa ko na ito ma-upload. Ayan. Kahit huli, at least, napahabol pa rin. So, katulad ng struggle ko dito na mahirapan ako, marami din silang sacrifices yung mga fathers natin. And, kahit marami silang sacrifices, they still do it just for us as their children. So, saludo po kami sa inyong lahat. So, next, hindi na nagkasya yung R dun sa taas, kaya ibinaba ko na lang. And yan, lagay-lagay lang din ulit ng mga kulay. Hi to Marlon Rodriguez, and hello daw po sa kanyang papa na si Danny Rodriguez. Happy Father's Day po. I posted to my Facebook account and I'm asking for those people who wanted to shout out to their fathers for the Father's Day. Ay, ano yun? Meron tayong bisita. Dalanggam. Yeah, I think masyado daw tayong sweet today kaya siya bumisita. Okay, so, balik tayo sa kwento ko. I asked my Facebook friends to post their shoutouts. So, dalawa lang sila. So, thank you so much for your cooperation and happy Father's Day po sa lahat ulit. Ayan. Natapos na po yung ating struggle dito sa paglalagay ng Happy Father's Day. And tapos na nga. For our index finger, nilalagay ko siya ng beige color ulit. At after that, nasira siya kasi minove ko yung tripod. So, nagalaw siya after that. But, ginawa ko na lang ng paraan. Inayos ko. Parang katulad ng mga tatay natin. Mahilig silang magkumpuni, mag-ayos, ganyan. Hi to Jensen Vergara, the comment winner for today. And thank you so much. If you want to be featured here, just comment down below. Baka ikaw na ang next na ating comment winner. At yung kanyang link ay nasa description box. So, next na ginawa ko dito is the mustache. Ayan. And our thumb is just a plain color of the dark using my Chic dark brown color. And this is our collaboration by Gidwani. Hello. And natapos na natin ang ating nail art. After that, we have to put our top coat to protect our natural nails para naman maging maayos pa rin siya. Yun. So, thank you so much. Natapos na natin ang ating nail art tutorial for today. At kung nagustuhan niyo po ang aking nail art tutorial, ay hit that like button. Share niyo din sa mga gustong makakita ng mga ganitong klaseng bagay. And see you on my next video. If you have any comments, comment nyo lang. Like, share. Ciao!